This is the 2020 Heyday WT2. It's got a tandem axle trailer, as well as a spare tire and swing tongue on the front. You got your docking lights, pull-up cleats. Color is blue and gray. You have your load guides on the back. There's a boatmate trailer. You do have your removable swim platform, underwater lights, and then you do have your little tab to adjust the surf wake. And you do have a tube tow there as well. Let's hop up into the boat and take a peek at the interior. The interior color on this is gray and blue as well. You do have your bow filler cushion, armrests in the seats, full wraparound in the back. Got your hot tub seating. You have your full tower with bimini top. It does fold down. Tower speakers, board racks as well. Got your seat with your flip-up bolster. This boat has 70 hours on it. It does have a subwoofer. Mirror. Got your Simrad. It's going to have your speed control on it. You do have a walkthrough in the back. On the interior, or on the engine side, you're going to have a 6.2 liter, 320 horse V-Drive by Mercury. This is the 2020 Heyday WT2 with a 6.2 liter in blue and gray. If you got any questions on this boat, feel free to reach out to James at SkipperBud's in Madison, 608-246-2628, extension 2006. Thank you.